feeling sick all of a sudden. So I'm finally sitting down to actually do some work. Because I did not feel good. My freaking office is a mess, per usual. This candle from my homegirl for Valentine's Day. It smells so good. This is strawberry, banana, and oats. With the oats, I just put a teeny bit of salt. Like a teeny tiny bit of salt. Some nutmeg and some cinnamon. This is English tea, English breakfast tea with some cinnamon dolce, Starbucks, like a small dash in there. I forget. These are some stickers and planner cards I made myself. Some of my clients, when I sold them the planner a few years back, they got these images from Pinterest and Unsplash. Okay, just want to put that out there. This is an iconic stock photographer's work she featured on Unsplash. I'll have to link her below. She does also offer product photography, by the way, from Pinterest, and I could go through all of them. This is some actual from my own sticker collection. Haven't released this one. Actually, no, I haven't released that one just yet. I designed it as part of a Valentine's Day, but if you have a color scheme of pink and red, then it would work for you, or just pink, whatever. Got this from Pinterest, this from Pinterest, this from Pinterest. This was actually a graphic in Canva. I changed it before I released it to the public. This was a graphic in Canva, but then I customized it to match the whole collection I had. Same thing here. This is from Pinterest, my own. If you looked at my Valentine's Day vlogs, I printed her out behind. So I really got super serious with the agenda part of the cloth and paper. So we're actually on today. So I said, drop Bella off, workout, shower. I started to work out, but again, I had to like scratch off some stuff or do things out of order because I was not feeling the best. So I picked up COVID test. It tested negative. Whoop, whoop. Anyways, so I actually went to Aldi yesterday. And the reason I'm trying to do that is to control the spending. If I'm using cash and buying one meal at a time, or looking at what we actually have in the fridge and then only getting what's missing. For example, on Tuesday, it was Taco Tuesday. The only thing I needed to get from Aldi was avocados. We already had limes at home from last Taco Tuesday, and some shells. Like I didn't have to go overboard there. And then here, we still have some, I made chicken parmesan yesterday. I probably should have wrote that here. The memory planner in me. I know you're thinking, well, where's the decor? So the other week had her. She's a part of my Valentine's Day Etsy printable collection. She also, again, the same one. So this is a part. Now, I admit, in the one I have on Etsy at this very moment, it's just the dolls. So it's her, and then 10 more. So different skin tones, different hairstyles, different face expressions. She's laughing, smiling. She's more just calm, cool, collected, you know. Her eyes are closed. Her eyes are open. I messed up with these. I printed them on the wrong side of the sticker paper. And so that's why they're more like ephemera than actual stickers. And I didn't do the best job cutting. Give me some grace. This is from myself. I don't know whose number it is. But yeah, made this myself in Canva from scratch. So it reminded me of the Liadre menu. I have a tutorial on that, or speed art on that. But anyways, getting back to, I was more functional planning this week. I know that's a trigger word for people. I might put her there. Just, you know, to add some oomph. Or I love this border idea. I've seen a lot of planners on YouTube. I've been binging on planning videos and journaling videos on YouTube. So I might put her here. Put some decor here and then down here. And then same thing here. This is Saturday and Sunday. So I still have workout, shower, cook breakfast, workout, shower, cook breakfast. I try to cook breakfast on the actual weekend. Well, obviously this is myself for me. And so speaking of, I know you're thinking, dang, that looks freaking healthy. So this is why. Morning in a row. Whoop, whoop for me. Because as you may have noticed, in 2021 and early 2022, I was working out regularly with a personal trainer. That relationship ended early 2022. So again, things slowly but surely started to unravel. So again, I'm just getting back on the horse. I want to come on here and say that every day is day one. A journal for myself, okay? I just want to put that out there. Will I release it to others? Probably, but it's for myself because I figure, you know, don't give up. You can always start over. And so here's a little behind the scenes of just what I've been doing so far. So all my journals or planners always start with the same "it belongs to who" page. It's important in case you lose it. I misplace things all the time. And then I love to have a welcome message. So I do have some journals I put on Amazon. They do not have a welcome message, but this one does. That way the person understands I've been there with you. And these are real pictures of me. I do have plenty of professional photos taken at different photo shoots. I'm there along with you. It's a journey we're both doing together. I'm not a fitness influencer or anything like that. I just felt like if I needed it, someone else there might need it too. Pinterest or magazines or whatever, Ephemera. I'm obsessed with that word now. So as you can see, there's a huge vision board over there I did a while ago. Fitness was on there. So again, I just love doing stuff like that in my journals. Even in my digital planning, I like to do that. Then here's some affirmations. So my body enjoys movement. We believe what we tell ourselves, right? So these are some client photos. I know that's super distracting because like, ooh, what's that? There's some client photos. Anyways, and videos. I figured this page would be, you know, meal planning. Because I'm the type of person, I do better if I actually meal plan, if I know what's going to be the next day. You know, if I don't have to guess. And so today I plan on moving my body by, and then the water, I liked the idea of shading it in instead of just, you know, ticking it. I want this experience to be super candid. Again, like I had a general journal for me to write my thoughts because I love journals. I fill them up quickly. So it's just so freaking good. I love when honey is in a teddy bear jar. So I'm just gonna drizzle on there. And it is amazing. The fruit's already sweet, but there's that touch of honey, just takes it to a whole nother level. Like a journal slash, you know, food diary slash fitness diary kind of deal. I've had the Canon for a few years now. I do plan on upgrading for offering stickers. I've been researching that. But, yeah. This morning I was feeling crap. That's why I did not, oh snap. This is a little small. It only printed out at 6x9. So what I'm gonna do inside Canva is I'm gonna go ahead and resize it. Take up the whole page. I did. Right here. Oh jeez. So this is 6x9. I know you're wondering, why is there hair stuff in her office? When I'm getting Bella ready for school, sometimes we gotta stop. Don't mind the stains on my shirt. It's real mom life. Anyways. Is the shirt clean? Yeah. Is it saying? Yeah. So, Bella likes to play in the hair stuff. That's expensive. You got natural hair. You know what I'm talking about. That is expensive. Walgreens will have a sale. Stopped by there this morning. That was not on the list of things to do. Just happened. You know how it is. Anyway, so I'm going to be taking this to my room. These little bins from Target come in handy. Or baskets. Yeah, it's a basket. Comes in handy. Put all my little pretty stuff right in there. Take it back to my room. Tuck up all these papers and sticker papers and stuff like that. Put this purse away. Book. I kind of need to finish reading like today, like a week ago, before I felt like crap. This is trash. Don't you love when they keep mailing you stuff and it's like, I don't want that. But they just keep doing it religiously. Okay, this kind of needs to go back in the case. It was broken. I'll get it fixed one day so I can get my stuff off. Or never mind. Welcome to iCloud. It's already on there. Okay, this is trash. This used to be on my computer. I really need to clean my computer bad. The little handle broke off. Yeah, this desk is getting clear. I always wanted a huge table like this so I could do crafts, and now the time has come for crafts. So it's like, okay, the desk has to stay clear. So that's going to be a new habit I have to form. Desk has to be clear each and every evening so that I can do crafts. Like, it's happened. The craft board here, it's super small. I have to get a bigger one. Big old paper cutter. You know, no paper gone to waste. The one that I printed out too small, I'm going to cut it to A5 and stick it right in my journal, right? So, yeah. Is there a coupon? When does it expire? It doesn't say. Oh, this is old. It's probably done. Yeah, it expired last month. Okay. Office Depot coupon. Office Depot coupon. The sniffles. That's what I realized. I put that in the wrong box. This goes in this box. Big old phone. This goes over here, and I need another phone so bad. It's that time of year where Apple says, "Give me your money." I want all your money. My child has sat here. The cap for one of my tools, my craft tool, she has sat there and chewed it. Why? That's what I ask myself every day. Why, Bella, why? What's this? Oh. Beauty stuff. This is a hole punch thing. I think I was using this for A5, but now I've lost the thing that goes in it, so I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do with that. Just like that, way more space for crafting and testing and coloring and drawing. I have not, believe it or not, I have not painted in here yet. I usually paint in the kitchen. And my theory behind that is, at least in the kitchen, we can put the trash bags down and I can mop up the tile. This is carpet. And carpet that needs to be vacuumed badly. So I don't want to paint in here and then have to get it off the carpet. I mean, this smells so good. It is lavender vanilla, believe it or not. It's not, lavender is usually not my thing. But it does smell good. And I still have this Target candle going strong. Yeah, that wick, you know, rest in peace to that wick. But hey, you can tell I'd be burning it. Anyways, so yeah, get all that out the way. This is for my husband's business. When a client wants an invoice right then, it has cracks again, man. Every time, child. Every time. Here's another cap for a crafting tool. Should be with the crafting tools. Look at that. There was a coaster on the desk. What is this? Some piece of food? Yuck. Put this right there. Put this out of the way, and then boom, I have space now to play. So this is the letter size. These are some stickers I printed out for spring, summer-ish collection that I designed myself. Again, made this cute little, will it zoom in? Oh my gosh, it won't zoom in. It says press for champagne. I had press for champagne right here this entire time. I've had this mood board as my screensaver for like over a year. I made these, and that's another Canva tutorial. So no illustrator was needed there. So this is the first one I printed out. The lines from Canva didn't print out as well. I think that's more the Canon printer than Canva. And then this one looks a lot better, but you can see there's still some imperfection. So for personal use, that's okay. For a finished product, it's not okay. I have this rule with myself where it's like no food near the sticker. So the meal and the drink had to be moved all the way back. So today's goal is to finish a walk and drink more water. For lunch, or maybe soup, and then dinner, or I might have the leftover chicken parm and then salad on the side. Yeah, it's cute. I think it's cute, so I can see what I ate, because I don't be keeping track, and I just magically think it's supposed to happen. And so boom, now I know what I ate and drank, because that will help me keep on track, hopefully. Canva, there is a lot of starting points inside of Canva for journal pages, and to make it your own, you just make sure you change the fonts, change graphics, you know, add your own flair.